All right, the body surface area of a human being is used to determine doses of medication. The formula for finding BSA is square root of h times m divided by 360, where h is height and m is mass. The doctor calculates medicine for a patient whose BSA is less than 1.9. If the patient is 160 centimeters tall, what must the mass be for the dose to be appropriate? So their BSA must be less than 1.9. So the BSA is this. 1.9 will be on the other side of the inequality. 160 is the height, so that goes in for h, and we're going to solve for m. So this equation we're going to solve for m. The first thing you would do, since the radical is already isolated, is square both sides. So you end up with that. You would then multiply both sides by 3,600, then divide both sides by 160, and you get that m needs to be less than 81.225. So the mass of the individual must be less than 81.225 kilograms for the dose to be appropriate. And then there's a graph to show. All right, so here's a similar question. Why don't you try this? So pause it, try it, come back and check. All right, so the first thing I did was I set it up with 75 in for M and 1.8 in for the BSA. Set up the same way as the previous example. Squared both sides, then multiplied both sides by 3,600, then divided both sides by 75, and got that h needs to be less than 155.52. So essentially that means the tallest the person can be is 155 centimeters. Anything less than that would be okay. Anything more than that would not. All right, so try the exit ticket, and then we'll go from there.